staring at the... Just glanced over at my window. My dad's just staring at the washing machine. He's like cabadoning the washing machine and staring at it. What is he doing? He looks so sad. What is he doing? He's been there for a good 5 minutes. What the heck? He's not moving. What is he doing? Just men things to worry about. Do you think he's just listening to me? Hey there, washing machine. So you've been working out? It will work faster if I pressure it. This is like when you are waiting for a website to load and you just kind of do, you know, this thing. You just do this, you know, with your mouse while you're waiting for it to load because you think it's gonna go faster. Post washing machine clarity. He's still staring at it. He's staring at it like that. Why is it making me concerned? Does he understand English? Does he know I am poking fun at it? Let him cook. Why is this so funny? He will never know that I saw him. Imagine the amounts of times where like people have caught you doing something funny and you never found out. I'm just thinking about it now. He's still there. Don't worry, sometimes men just need to do 100-yard stare. Go and stare at it with him, see if that helps it go faster. I don't want to ruin his moment. Oh, okay, no, wait. No, he's back at looking at it. He was checking the inside of the machine just now. I think he was looking through the window on the machine, and now he's back staring at it. We will help. We'll help. This can last up to an hour, maybe even an hour. When you check in a couple minutes, he's gonna be staring at you. I'm gonna get freaking jump scared. I don't want to look, but anytime I look to the side, I get a glimpse of his hand just on the washing machine, and I'm just... Oh wait, he's gone. Wait, no! He's gone! He's gone! He's gone! Where did he go? I looked away for 1 second. He gone. Where did he go? Him and that washing machine have been through a lot. Washing machine 1? Oh. Where did he go? Where did my dad go? He really ditched the washing machine. He ditched it. He just... I want to say it. He pumped and dumped the machine. Why is this so funny? It's not even that funny. It's currently 1:30 in the morning and I'm just poking fun at my dad just looking at the washing machine. What is wrong with me? Isn't the machine the one that does the no, because I feel like anytime I'm trying to say something, it feels like I'm like Fuyo splaining because my finger is up like this. No, because you know, the machine was pumped full with clothes. Probably there's also towels in there, don't you worry. Applied the fabric softener and just left. Man can't even enjoy his washing machine in his own home without getting judged. Don't worry, he doesn't know. Besides, if he knew I'm saying these things, he'd probably laugh at me. He'd probably laugh with me. Because it's funny. It's funny. Why are you making a washing machine lewd? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like making more lewd jokes than other times. Right now, I feel like making lewd jokes. The best part of this is these sorts of thoughts aren't even abnormal for me either. Lucky Charms, I'm glad we are on the same wavelength. Late night Fuyo is natural. No, yeah, it's true. The later that the night goes on, the more sussy my thoughts get. It is kind of true. He's back. He's back. He's back and I'm staring at the washing machine. He's back. Let's go! He's back from round 2. I wish you guys could see this. It's times like this I wish I wasn't a virtual person, and I wish I was not so careful with my privacy, because I would love to just like turn on the camera and show you guys my dad just staring at the washing machine. But I like being virtual too much. So you just get to picture this in your head. Put it on the canvas. This is the washing machine. This is my dad's hand. And he's just like looking down at it. Like this. Like this. Like this. That's what I see. It's like emotional support. But he's not moving. He's not moving. Okay, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone again. He's gone. He's gone. Dead gone. Gone. Disappeared. Now it's just the washing machine. You're dead to the washing. Literally. Literally. Oh, he's back. 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 Exact same pose. It's always in the exact same angle too. How am I gonna like bring this up to my dad? Like, it's the most stupidest thing. Round 3. Be cool, everybody. Everybody be cool. We can always translate to Portuguese if he doesn't speak English. He does not speak English. I think he understands some things, but not a lot. All the knowledge that he has comes from, like, movies and stuff. He knows basic things, like, you know... and just basic things he knows. Oh my god, he changed angles! Oh my god. Guys. He changed angles. Now he's staring at it like this. Wait. Okay, so this is the washing machine, right? Now my dad is like back facing me. Looking down. This hand is on the washing machine. And he's looking down. Like this. Oh my god. I need water. I can't take this. Wait, no, it's more like this. The dead stance. It's like this. He's got his hand on his hip. staring at the washing machine. Now he's hunched over. He's now hunched over. He's now like this. Why is this necessary for me to talk about? Now he's like this. You thought that was the extent of my strength. Change his angle. Oh. This is okay. This is peak single child behavior. When you don't have anything to really entertain yourself with, this is what you do. Okay, wait. I think the machine is done. My dad. Wait, what? My dad's just squatting there now. He's just like. Now he's just squatting. Like this. Looking at the washing machine. Dead butt. And now he's back into position reversed. He's been cycling between these positions for a while. It's the birth? No, it's not. It's not. My dad is back staring at it. Oh. Wait, I can hear the machine now. I think he got it to work. Can you guys hear the machine? Can you? No, I can't. Okay. Good. Is it getting louder? Wait, where's my dad turn to the machine? I think he's trying to... What is he doing to the machine? I think he was pushing the machine in. Why was he pushing the machine in? What the heck? And now he's just standing over the machine. Like this. Like this, not moving an inch. Just there, like this. He was pushing it in. By the way, there's like a little cupboard here. I don't know what he's doing. And now he's back into position number 2. I love my dad, but what the frick is he doing? Dad, please, leave that washing machine alone. Just walk up next to it and okay, you know what? I want to do that. I want to do that. Okay, you know what? Guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Wait, call your mom and tell her to just enter without saying a word and joining him with the staring. Hold on, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go tell my mom. The most... Unless she's sleeping. I don't want to wake her up if she's sleeping. You know what? I don't want to go wake up my mom. But I'm gonna go tell my mom. I'm gonna like, Mom, Dad's been staring at the washing machine for an hour. And I've been laughing at it with chat. I've been laughing at it with the Lucky Charms and I don't know what to do. But I don't want to wake up my mom. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll go check if my mom is still awake. Hello? Okay. So you guys were right. What I did was, I left my bedroom. Not bedroom, I left my goon cave. Right? Instead of going to my mom, I went to my dad. Okay, I went to my dad. I did what you guys said. I thought it would be funny. So I went there. You know, first I scared him. That's what I did. Cause he didn't hear me walk in. So it's like, oh. And then he started grumbling. He was like, This machine. He was angry. My dad was angry, so he vented to me. He was like, this machine can be here. This machine is so loud. So apparently, the machine, given the fact that it's like against the wall to my parents' bedroom, it's vibrating and it's making a frick ton of noise. And it's not letting them sleep. Apparently, the machine is making it more uncomfortable for them to sleep than it is me speaking and streaming, which is immensely funny. Maybe then don't turn it on at 2 AM. Yeah, that's what my dad was saying. He was saying like, this machine can only be turned on during the day. And I was just like standing there looking at him and going like, it's okay, it's okay. It's almost done. By now it's finished. It's finished. I stared at it with my dad until it stopped making noise. He asked me if I can hear it from here, and I cannot really hear it. I mean, I hear a little bit, but it's very, very low. The sound is very, very low in my goon cave. Machine keeps flapping the dang walls. So then I told my dad, I was like, hey, Dad. Okay, this might make you laugh. I know you're very frustrated right now, but this might make you laugh. I've been staring at you with the Lucky Charms for the past hour. And you were just standing there in the same position, and we just thought it was very funny. No, it was not a love story, it was a hate story. It was pure hatred. He was pushing it against the wall because it was making too much noise. So he was trying to like position it in a way that it would not, you know. Okay, so don't make the fanfic. No, you can still make it if you want. I'd show it to him. I think he has the context. Either way, it made him laugh. So I think it helped him feel a bit better. Either way, that was funny. He was aggressively caberdoning it to assert dominance. Yeah. It's so cute. Such a cute story about hatred, love, and washing machines. Shouldn't he pull it away from the wall? That's what I told him. I told him, Dad, then you shouldn't be pushing it in. You should be like trying to push it away from the wall. But no. He was like, no, the machine just needs to be moved to the opposite wall. It needs to go to the opposite wall. But Dad, there's no space. There's no space in the opposite wall. What do you mean? So yeah. Yeah. Either way, it's a very easy fix. You just have to turn on the washing machine during the day. You'll make it fit. That was a great saga. That was a great saga.